have made it over to Rise of Resistance, and we are about to ride it. Our number got called, and when your group number gets called, you have about an hour to get there, just like you would a fast pass window. So we're gonna go get in the queue and ride it for the very first time. We'll let you know how we like it.
So where will we go today? Meet me out among the endless possibilities. We'll laugh all the clouds away. I know someday we'll have to stay, but where will we go today?
They were scanning our magic band. Social distancing decals in place on the ground. Maybe some battle plans, perhaps. So we have caught up with the line, and we're waiting behind our specified decal before we can move forward. Okay, we're entering a line with plexiglass partition between us and the people on the other side. And we got the resistance lockers over here, also with plexiglass, so that you don't have air going through to the other side. So this is the suit that Ben had on that had water all in it in The Last Jedi. He was running around the resistance ship with water squirting out. 2 and 2 on 3.
2 on 2. Let's do 2 on 2. 2 on 2. What?
So we're the only ones that are in this area.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9 please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Rey. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Bakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Pontan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening.
Recruits to transport. No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth ride.
This is your final call on board.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary and motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
Hyperdrive.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive needs to run it down
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9 Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance spies, your ship has been taken and will be searched. Once you exit, you will proceed towards the hallway on your right where you will be interrogated. 2, you may exit.
I'm sorry.
I'm awfully happy. Do you realize what's about to happen to you? I don't think so. Moving to the cell.
Mommy would fight the also would fight the good guys. I would
Both units with me. There's nothing to fear.
It's fear itself. That's it. So
Again, you do not know what's about to happen, do you?
I do. So
You're about to be interrogated. Do you know what that means? No, I didn't think so.
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
R5's gonna keep you safe, okay?
R5?
You got this? Perfect.
R5?
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Drone droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in attention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D. Take cover, recruits. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scout for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Thank you, R5.